Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Maria Lourdes Taniedo Illares, 39 years old. I am married. I have 4 children, 3 boys and 1 girl. Ages 21, 20, 14, and 4. I am a high school graduate to the Tarlac National High School. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I'm the second youngest. I work in Philippines as a household for 3 years from April 13, 2013 to June 8, 2016. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. 7 and 9 their age, boy and girl. My household chores are cleaning, cooking, laundering, marketing, and taking care of the children. Second, I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years from January 10, 2017 to January 3, 2019. I serve 4 members of the family, 3 adult and 2-year-old boy. My household chores are cleaning, cooking, laundering, marketing, and taking care of the elderly and the 2-year-old boy. I cook Arab food like buffalo, camel, rabbit. There, Ma'am and Sir. If you ever choose me as a domestic helper, I will promise I will do my big best, and I will promise that I will finish my contract with you for 2 years and more than. Thank you.